to my channel. Welcome to All Natural Casino. So, as you can see, I am very new here. I am also very nervous. I am shaking right now, but you can't see it. But I am shaking, believe me. However, I'm very new here. I am Cassine and let me just say I just love here. That's all I'm gonna say. I love here. If you know me personally, then you know I'm not lying, right? So I love here. So I decided that I would create a channel that I could share with other young females like myself some simple and cute natural styles. So let me first say these styles can be worn by just about anyone. Your hair type doesn't matter because they're very simple and cute. They will take up to 5 minutes, right? At least 5 minutes. They won't take up a lot of your time. I'm just gonna say that, right? Also, I love wearing my natural hair. I will wear braiding hair, but not as often, right? Let me also say I don't wear colors in my hair. It's just always natural black. Okay? Also, this might sound weird, but for me, I've never, ever in my entire life worn a wig, right? I have never, ever worn a wig, and I will not promise you that I'll be wearing a wig. So I will not make a promise that I'm not sure I can fulfill, right? Yes, so yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to share with you guys some simple styles. I'm hoping that you guys will love them. I will be posting a video very soon, and I'm hoping that you guys will like, that you will share, and that you will subscribe, right, to my channel. I'm depending on you, right? So lastly, guys, despite what is happening right now, the whole pandemic and everything, I just want to implore you guys to not at any point in time, do not leave God out of anything that you're doing, right? Sometimes you might feel, alone and like there's nobody there, but I just want to encourage you. He's always there. You might not know it, but he's there, right? So I'm imploring you, never leave God out of anything that you're doing, right? And please stay safe. Please stay safe. Use the time, spend time with your loved ones, show them you care, because we may never know. We don't know what to expect. We don't know what's coming next. We just have to be prepared and to stick close to God, right? So, yes, this is the end of my little video. Again, guys, I'm asking you to please like, to please share, and to subscribe. I'll be posting a video very soon, and I hope that you will like it. So, guys, do have yourself a God blessed day. Stay safe.